I'm going to show you how to go ahead and get your compressed shipped artificial flowers to go from this to this. Let's go ahead and get into it. If you have a home steamer or an iron, you're gonna need that. Go ahead and just take your time with each branch. Go ahead and steam each one out. The petals and leaves are going to naturally just unwind and uncurl. And this is something that you're only gonna have to do once, so don't worry. Now these can be used indoor or outdoors. I really wanted to show these outside because that's really where faux flowers either look good or very obviously fake. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on our front porch and let you take a look at them. My first impression, the color is really pretty. The purple and white combo looks natural and it's not overly bright or plastic looking. Up close, they have really nice detail, and once they're in a planter or hanging basket, they honestly pass as real from a distance. What I really like is that they're UV resistant. I've had fake flowers before that faded super fast, and these are made to handle sun without losing their color, which is exactly what you want for porches, balconies, or yard decor. I love that these don't need to be watered. You don't have to worry about how much sun they're getting, and they're gonna look beautiful no matter what the weather is. We were sent these to test out, and as you can tell, I think they're beautiful. I think they look gorgeous on our front porch, and I believe that's where they're gonna stay for the rest of the year.